It's time!
In the red corners, with 0 losses and tons of profitable signals, it's gonna be Mamba FX. And in the blue corner, with 0 losses, tons of firm past, the reigning, defending, the smartest trader, founder trader in the world, Kimmel Trading. And let's get to Rumble. No, I'm joking, guys. No, to be honest, I just checked this Rizdom podcast. Yeah, that was funny, man. Like a lot of excuses, a lot of challenges, a lot of you sitting. You know, I had basically a thinking in mind, like, man, you know, like how big YouTubers like KSI and Jake Paul and Logan Paul, all those guys, who they right now are boxers. I was thinking like a cool an idea, you know, to make a, I don't know, 8 rounds boxing match or UFC one, but no, they are too. One is fat, one is too skinny. But anyway, I was thinking to be like a cool sparring match, you know, like 8 rounds, 6 rounds, something like that, by 2 minutes, 3 minutes, something like that. That would be funny to look at that. And Riz to be like as a judge, you know, he would sit there with the clock and all this stuff, and just to have some fun, you know. That would be really, really funny. I don't know, man. I really would like to see how they fighting each other, and you know, whoever wins, the loser will apologize. So yeah, man, that would be nice to see. To be honest, I like it's like, I don't know, this situation that happened between them it looks funny to me, to be honest. But how they challenging each other and they trying to, you know, hype on this stuff is cool. But you know, let's see how everything is gonna end up. I'm just here for fun, you know. So Mamba or Kimmel, make this boxing or UFC team, you know. So everybody will have some fun. I definitely will gonna get like a beer. I will, you know, make this thing like pay-per-view, and then you will make like real money. No, trading, you know, trading you don't really make money. So what you can do, you can just do a boxing match and, you know, get pay-per-view, streaming online with Riz, you know, Riz and his podcast. He will make like a live streaming how you guys fighting, and everybody was gonna be on you guys. I'm gonna make a bet and make some money, because you know 95% of people losing trading, but would be nice, you know, at least to make somehow any money, you know, bet on 2 people like you guys. Peace and love, guys. I'm out. But that's funny though.